Planning delivers a flexible modeling platform for finance to build production budgets and amortize costs over the life of your titles based on ultimate revenue or possibly any other custom amortization curve you might want to consider in the business. And I have a couple examples for you here. Here we're looking at our P&L forecast for one of our titles, our unnamed buddy comedy. Again, we're planning into our working plan version here. Here we have our revenue forecast over the life of this title, ultimately driving that ultimate forecast and driving our percent of revenue. So in April 2020, this is the percentage of revenue for the current month relative to the ultimate revenue for this title. Coming down to our capitalized film cost, you'll see this is a formulaic value up top here based on the total capitalized amount and allocating it for April 2020 based on this percent of revenue, which is driven from our ultimates. We can drill in and explore this value here, see in fact what that formula means. Here we're taking that film total capitalized cost and taking that 12.1%, allocating it for the month of April. Furthermore, drilling down in on our film cost amortization, here you can see this is actually coming from a supporting schedule. We're bringing in a supporting schedule into this P&L. We want to drill into our models here and pop open our amortization schedule to get some more visibility into that specific account. We can see for this example, for this account, we can actually pick and choose from different types of amortization curves. If we want to, for example, no longer amortize this amount over 48 months, but rather consider the impact of amortizing it over 24 months instead, being a little more aggressive with it, we can go ahead and make that assumption change. Hop back to our P&L and refresh this sheet. We'll be able to see that $72,800 now be more reflective of an aggressive amortization over just 24 months.